Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect a PlayStation 5 controller to an iPhone. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to at least iOS 14.5 for full compatibility. Then, open your iPhone's Settings app and tap on Bluetooth. Confirm that Bluetooth is switched on, allowing your phone to search for nearby devices. This simple preparation ensures a smooth connection process. Now, let's put your PlayStation 5 controller into pairing mode. Hold down the PlayStation button, which is the central button with the PlayStation logo. At the same time, press and hold the Create button, located to the left of the touchpad. Keep both buttons pressed for a few seconds until the controller's light bar starts flashing a distinct blue color. This indicates it is ready to connect. With your controller in pairing mode, turn your attention back to your iPhone. In the Bluetooth settings, you should see DualSense Wireless Controller appear under Other Devices. Tap on this name to begin the pairing process. The controller's light bar will stop flashing and display a solid color, typically blue or a faint red, confirming a successful connection to your iPhone. Once the light bar on your PlayStation 5 controller is solid, it means you are successfully connected to your iPhone. You can now launch any compatible mobile game or application that supports external controllers. This connection provides a more immersive and precise gaming experience, allowing you to enjoy your favorite titles with the comfort and control of a dedicated game controller.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.